Hi, John from the Scorpio team. Doing a quick video today on how to prepare wood for the Scorpio. So I've got everything here that'll hopefully give you a quick overview on what you need to get the wood cut down to the right size and ready to go. We're also going to be offering in the very near future pre-cut wood, but until then, what you can do is actually go to Home Depot and pick up these Kingsford Hickory Logs. These are actually the perfect length for the Scorpio burner. They're about, call it 10 to 12 inches in length. And then what I will do is use a Kindling Cracker here, which you can get off of Amazon, to break a piece of wood about this size down to pieces of wood about this size. As you can see, there are a few different sizes that I'm working with, and I think it's really helpful to have a variety of sizes for your cook. This piece of wood here is about 1 inch in diameter, and then we get larger up to about 2 inches in diameter. To start the fire, the 1 inch works great. What you may need for these, as you're opening up space in the burner as pieces of wood burn down, you may need a medium or a small piece to get to work your way in there, and the bigger pieces obviously burn a little bit longer. Something important to highlight too is just moisture content of the wood. If your wood is too green, so that's probably over 20% moisture, what you'll find out is it's very difficult to get the fire hot enough with all that water in the wood. What's nice about this Kingsford wood is that it's very dry. So it burns, it catches hot, or catches quickly and burns very hot. What you'll also find out that if you are using wood that is too green, when it's in the firebox and that fire is lit, what you can also see is actually bubbles coming off the wood as it's burning, and that's an indication that you're working with probably wood that's too green. So we've also included links in this video. That will be a link to the Kingsford Hickory Logs, the Kindling Cracker on Amazon, and there's a bunch of different versions of these. And this is just a 4-pound, I think you can use either a 3 or 4 pound mallet there to break down the wood. And once you break down the wood, what you can see here is a just nice stack of wood that I've got prepped and ready to go whenever I want to cook a pizza. So thank you very much, and if you have any questions, let us know.